Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add channels in Telegram, okay? I'll open up Telegram first. First I'll show you how to create your own channel, and then I'll show you how to join one, right? So click on this pencil icon. I have the option to create a new channel. I can write a name, right? And then a description. You can add emojis as well if you want. And then click on that check mark. You can either make this a public channel or a private channel. I'll just make it a public one. And then we'll go ahead and choose a link. We can add anything. Make sure it's just available. Press on that check mark. You can add people as well to your channel. There we go. We have a channel created. And if you want to search for a specific channel, come here, click on search here at the top right. Click on channels. And now you can see either similar channels or you can search for something specifically. Maybe let's do something related to Instagram, right? We'll find some channels here. Here you go. We see Instagram leaks, Instagram, Snapchat ID pass, random Instagram channels. If you want to join this, you can go ahead and just click on a join. And it's really that easy and simple.